Alright guys, it is New Year's Eve. We're here in the Philippines. Earlier we went over to some friend's house, had a nice big meal, hung out there for a few hours, and now we are back home. It's about 11 o'clock. It's pretty quiet out. They had a firework ban here in the Philippines, and it's kind of quiet. You hear some fireworks here and there. But I think come midnight there's going to be some fireworks going on. I really do. But anyways, that's what we're doing right now. We're just kind of hanging out here, you know, drinking a couple San Miguel's, and that's about it. Waiting for midnight. Right, we got the kids. They got their horns. We got the young one. They're all ready to go. They're all ready to make some noise. They're ready to make it happen. There it is. Oh, you guys remember the Englishman? There he is.
I'm the captain. I'm the captain. Yeah, rock and roll.
Wow. They can't wait. Now what was that about? Remember this what was that? Something about Mickey Mouse and Kiss?
Well, I mean, okay, you know, I mean, what do we got? We got more coming out of America than any other country in the world, right?
Right.
So, you know, you've got some real good gems out there, you know. You've got
more noise?
things going on. There is
Sparkler, there you go. Who wants a sparkler?
Me.
Yay! Happy New Year! Countdown's still on. The countdown is still on. It's about 11:30.
Put the camera.
Sparklers.
Come on. Can I have that?
All right, guys. It's getting closer to midnight. You hear it. A lot more action going on. Got some fireworks warming up some of their smaller fireworks for the bigger fireworks, I think. But hey, you got people, you know, video keying and hanging out, playing music. You know.
Close your eyes. Won't keep on minutes a day. Oh my God.
All right, we're going to get a update on the time, and what's the update there, Captain?
Okay, what we got is, it is 11:47. So we got what? We got 30 minutes to midnight, and it's getting louder.
It's getting louder.
It's, we got a lot of fireworks going.
I say the guy down the road has got probably some M80s.
Yeah.
I'm going to go with M80s.
Yeah, it's getting loud now. It's
Yep,
getting
yep.
loud. The night is about to begin.
It's almost time to rock and roll all night, party every day.
Of course.
And there's going to be some fireworks going on. There it is. There's the update. There it is. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Yay! Yay! Happy New Year, everybody! There it is. There it is. Who said there's a firework ban in Angeles City?
That's the good stuff.
Huh? Oh yeah, I know. Here it is, everybody. Happy New Year!
Oh, back to back sila. Dami. Oh, there you go. Happy New Year, my love.
Alright guys, this is the big daddy right here. This is called the Judas belt. And this is one wicked fireworks display. It's actually a bunch of firecrackers put together in a string of...
What's that?
In a string of... This is a big old string. This is it. Judas belt, baby.
Ooh, laki.
Now,
The whole go.
got to figure out how to do it. This is it, guys. This is it.
This is called
firecrackers display I've ever seen. You guys ready?
otherly known as the snake.
Utterly known as Judas belt.
Judas belt.
What name?
Right here.
Okay, let me show. This is it. This is called Judas belt. We're gonna light this bad boy, and I'm gonna show you the Judas belt.
Careful.
What? Yeah.
That's smoking, baby. That is bad. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap it up. Happy New Year's to you guys. Hope you guys have a good New Year's, and stay safe. And what do you got to say, Lut?
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year, everyone. And we'll see you next year.